This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately. Move to the closest classroom and collect the first notebook while listening for Baldi's ruler slaps. You should memorize 2 escape corridors. Once done, avoid dead ends. Make sure to pick up any items that boost speed or confuse Baldi, and stash map notes mentally. This reduces wasted backtracking. You'll use the first 2 notebooks to create safe routes, and you must balance speed with quiet. Run only when you have a clear path. You now refine a repeating route. Clear one zone, loop through a secondary corridor, and push toward the exit area while collecting notebooks. When NPCs block paths, use trade or distraction items to create openings, since they cost less time than full reroutes. Make sure to monitor Baldi's distance and only sprint in predictable corridors. Once done with each notebook, reassess available items and keep at least one for emergency escapes. This prevents being cornered during the final run. You finish by collecting the last notebook in a planned zone close to an exit, then use your final item to disrupt Baldi's path and sprint directly to the door. Make sure to time the distraction so his patrol pattern leads away from your route. This reduces chances of a last-second interception. If things go wrong and you're trapped, immediately backtrack to the last safe room, bait Baldi into a loop, and rebuild your route methodically to avoid repeating mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.